Right, so today's job was to remove this sweet chestnut tree that was leaning and overhanging an outbuilding below. Also the fence line is running from the length of the garden down there. As you can see, we've got our rigging ropes and my anchor points are both set up in the taller tree in the foreground of the frame, mainly because couldn't really put any lines on the tree just due to the awkward shape. We've got a flying capstan running to the tree behind the cameraman at the moment. We've got a pulley at the base of our tree, our sort of main sort of rigging tree, to keep everything in order and to keep the rope off the stem, maximum rope through the system. We'll let the video run and see what you guys think.
Yeah, still ready. Ready on the lights?
This next little bit here, we got the spider leg out basically, or the limb balancer, because it was the first bit of trunk, and as you can see it's going off at quite a sort of, you know, quite an odd angle, and yeah. Right, so last thing of the day, get the stem on the floor, get the rigging equipment out, and then everyone can get down and go home. So we have the last bit here, taking down the actual stem. Should have taken off that dead branch there before it came down, but snaps off. Nice job.